In this video, I will show you how to fix Messenger not ringing on incoming calls. So for that, first of all, check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then the next thing that you need to ensure is that do not disturb mode is not turned on. If it is turned on, then simply turn it off. After that, make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices or your AirPods, earphones, anything. Then the next thing is ensure that the volume of your device is turned on. After that, simply click and hold on to the messenger icon. Then click on more features. Then click on app info. After that, click on manage notifications. From here, make sure you turn it on and make sure you enable ring, vibrate, and also allow notification for calls. Here, make sure that it is not set to silent. After that, simply go back and then from this screen, click on storage uses. Then click on clear cache. Then go back again, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then you can try relaunching the app and it should start working. And if it's still not working, then simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. Here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, then you can try restarting your phone. Simply click and hold on to your power icon, then turn the slider upwards. After your phone restarts, you can try relaunching Messenger. Or you can simply click and hold on to Messenger icon, then click on uninstall, confirm it, then download it from Play Store again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.